If I told you that the secret to deeper sleep has been sitting in your hands your entire life, would you finally grab control, or let another night slip away? Water is one of the most familiar elements of our daily lives, yet its influence on sleep is vastly underestimated. While people chase miracle supplements, expensive gadgets, and elaborate bedtime rituals, the truth is almost embarrassingly simple. Your hydration habits might be the most powerful sleep tool you've ignored for years, and once you understand the role water plays in nighttime restoration, your perspective on rest will never be the same. Let's begin with something foundational. The human body is mostly water. Your muscles rely on it, your organs depend on it, and your brain, the command center of your sleep cycle, is nearly 3/4 water. Without adequate hydration, even the most advanced sleep hacks become dramatically less effective. Yet most people walk around in a mild but constant state of dehydration without even realizing it. What exactly does water have to do with sleep? More than you can imagine. Its influence appears in 3 critical areas: temperature control, hormonal balance, and neurological cleansing. Each of these plays a pivotal role in whether your sleep is restorative or restless. First, let's talk about temperature regulation. Before you fall asleep, your body naturally cools down. That decrease in core temperature signals your brain that it's time for rest. However, hydration is essential for efficient cooling, because your bloodstream, your metabolic processes, and your skin's ability to dissipate heat all depend on adequate water. If you're dehydrated, your body struggles to release heat, delaying your ability to fall asleep and increasing the chances of waking up throughout the night. In other words, hydration helps your body enter sleep mode smoothly, but the story goes deeper. Sleep depends heavily on hormonal balance, and hydration plays a direct role in regulating the hormones that influence rest. When you're dehydrated, your cortisol, the stress hormone, rises. High cortisol at night is a recipe for mental agitation, racing thoughts, and that awful feeling of being exhausted but unable to shut down. On the opposite side of the spectrum, dehydration interferes with melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep onset and rhythm. Without enough water, your body essentially receives mixed signals, and mixed signals do not produce peaceful nights. Still, the most surprising connection between water and sleep takes place while you're already unconscious. During deep sleep, your brain activates a system known as the glymphatic system, a biological cleaning process that flushes out toxins, metabolic waste, and cellular debris accumulated throughout the day. This nighttime cleaning crew relies on fluid movement, meaning hydration directly affects how efficiently your brain detoxifies itself. The better this system works, the sharper, calmer, and more energized you feel the next morning. When hydration is poor, the brain's cleansing process is sluggish, leaving you foggy, unfocused, and mentally heavy after waking. If hydration is so important, why do so many people sleep poorly without ever connecting the dots? Because dehydration often hides behind symptoms we interpret as something else: irritability, headaches, fatigue, heaviness in the body, mood swings, or lack of focus. Most people wait for the sensation of thirst as a warning sign, but thirst is actually a late-stage symptom. By the time you feel thirsty, your body is already dehydrated enough to affect cognition, energy, and yes, sleep quality. Another mistake is drinking large amounts of water right before bed. While well-intentioned, it backfires. Drinking too much too late leads to disrupted sleep due to nighttime bathroom trips. Hydration should be consistent throughout the day, with a gentle tapering in the evening. The goal is balance, not excess. Hydration even affects the muscles and airways involved in breathing during sleep. When the body is dehydrated, the tissues in the nose and throat become drier, increasing the likelihood of snoring, mouth breathing, and sleep fragmentation. This can worsen mild sleep issues and make restorative sleep harder to achieve. Something as simple as proper hydration helps maintain smoother, quieter breathing patterns during the night. Let's not overlook the emotional side of this story. Hydration has a profound impact on mood and mental stability. Even mild dehydration raises feelings of tension and anxiety, making it harder to mentally decompress when bedtime arrives. The swirling thoughts, the unresolved stress, the mental overstimulation, dehydration amplifies all of it. And once anxiety rises, sleep becomes even more fragile. Proper hydration, on the other hand, promotes emotional steadiness, supporting the calm mindset necessary for drifting into rest. Now consider how you feel after a poor night of sleep: sluggish, irritable, craving sugar, unfocused, unmotivated. That cascade of negative reactions could be significantly softened or even prevented by simply keeping your body hydrated during the day. When your cells have the water they need, energy improves, mood stabilizes, cognitive performance sharpens, and the body enters nighttime rest with ease. This doesn't mean you should drink gallons of water. It means you should drink strategically. Your hydration needs depend on your size, environment, diet, and activity level. Hydration also comes from foods like fruits, vegetables, broths, and herbal teas. Electrolytes matter as well. And one of the simplest markers of hydration is almost effortless. Your urine color, dark or bright yellow, suggests dehydration. Pale or clear indicates adequate hydration. Before diving into complicated sleep routines, supplements, or gadgets, Try adjusting the most basic input your body relies on, water. The results can be surprisingly profound. Think about the nights you tossed and turned, unable to relax. Think about the mornings when you woke up exhausted, frustrated, or mentally foggy. It's possible that your sleep struggles weren't caused by stress, technology, or late-night habits, but by something as fundamental as dehydration. Imagine how many of those frustrating nights could have been avoided with better hydration. Water connects your daytime habits to your nighttime restoration. It influences your hormones, your brain, your muscles, your breathing, your mood, and your energy. It's foundational biology, not a trendy fix, not a placebo, not a complicated ritual. It's nature doing exactly what it was designed to do. Now picture a version of yourself who wakes up refreshed, with a clear mind, a lighter mood, and real energy instead of forced motivation. Imagine falling asleep more easily, staying asleep longer, and waking up feeling genuinely restored. It's not fantasy, it's physiology, and it begins with hydration. Water might not solve every sleep problem, but when it comes to restoring your body and mind, it is one of the most powerful, overlooked tools available to you. And ignoring it is like trying to repair a system without giving it the basic fuel it needs to function. The simplest habits are often the ones that transform us the most. If you're ready to unlock the version of yourself that wakes up powerful, focused, and fully recharged, start with water, because mastering your hydration is mastering your life.